Upbeat music plays. Cut to a table with both power supplies displayed. Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies, comparing the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 600W and the MSI MAG A750GL. On my left, the Toughpower GX2, tougher than your high school gym teacher. And on my right, the MSI MAG A750GL, ready to keep your gaming rig powered up like a toddler on candy. Let's get ready to rumble, and may the best PSU win. First up, let's talk about price. The Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 is a steal at $69, making it a great budget option. Reviewers have mentioned that it provides excellent value for the price, highlighting its gold efficiency rating and reliability. On the other hand, the MSI MAG A750GL comes in at $99. While it's a bit pricier, several reviewers appreciate its performance and quality, deeming it worth the extra investment. Therefore, Thermaltake wins this round for being cheaper. But remember, sometimes you have to pay a little more for the good stuff. Next up, modular design. The Toughpower GX2 features non-modular connectors, providing all cables whether you need them or not. Some users appreciate this non-modular design for ease of use, while others find it a bit cluttered. In contrast, the MSI MAG A750GL is fully modular, allowing you to connect only the cables you need, making for a cleaner build. Reviewers rave about the organized setup and the ease of installation. MSI takes this round for modular design. Now, let's discuss efficiency. Both power supplies boast an 80 PLLS Gold certification, indicating they are highly efficient. The Toughpower GX2 has received positive feedback for its efficiency, running quietly and maintaining good temperatures. Similarly, the MSI MAG A750GL is recognized for its effective performance with strong cables. In this case, it's a tie. Finally, let's talk about warranties. The Toughpower GX2 doesn't mention a warranty, which can be risky. Reviewers have noted this as a downside, especially for long-term use. In contrast, the MSI MAG A750GL comes with a 10-year limited warranty, which is highly appreciated by users. This warranty provides peace of mind and assurance of quality. MSI wins this round for long-term reliability. In summary, the Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 is praised for its affordability and decent performance, while the MSI MAG A750GL is lauded for its modular design and excellent warranty. Each product has its strengths, catering to different user preferences. So what have we learned today? The Thermaltake Toughpower GX2 is cheaper and decent, but the MSI MAG A750GL offers modular design and a fantastic warranty. If you're looking for reliability and a clean build, the MSI MAG A750GL might be your best bet. But if you're on a budget, the Toughpower GX2 could be your perfect match. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.